Good morning, fam. Coach Nate. You made it here, and that means you're already ahead of 99% of people who hit snooze instead of showing up for their body. Whether you woke up tight, stiff, or your back feels locked up and your body isn't moving in the way it should, I've got good news. In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to unlock your spine, fire up your core, and release deep tension so you feel powerful, mobile, and ready for the day. Most people stretch the wrong way and actually make themselves tighter, but today we're going to do it right. One of these moves will instantly improve your posture, but only if you do it correctly. I'll show you how. The last move in this routine is something you probably never think about, but once you try it, you'll never skip it again. Your back and hips are craving movement, and one simple tweak make this routine 10 times more effective. I'll show you in just a second. Most people stretch incorrectly, keeping them stiff all day. But today, we're getting it right. If you've ever woken up with sore wrists, this routine includes something most people forget, but your body will thank you for it. Let's hit the mat. If you've been sleeping curled up or hunched over your phone, your spine has been craving this stretch all night. Start in child's pose, knees wide, arms stretched forward. Forehead resting on the mat. Inhale, shift forward. Lower your hips and lift your chest into cobra. Exhale, push back into child's pose. Feeling your spine lengthen. Move slowly, focusing on each breath. I promise this move will release back tension, improve flexibility, and wake up your body for better movement all day. Beginners keep elbows slightly bent in cobra. Advanced stretches hold cobra longer and lift higher for a deeper stretch. Pause in cobra. Can you lift your chest just an inch higher? Feel the deep stretch. Now that your spine is open, let's activate the core and work on balance. A weak core leads to tightness everywhere. This move builds strength and prevents pain. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm and left leg straight out, keeping your core engaged. Hold for a second, then return to starting position. Repeat smoothly, keeping your movements controlled. I promise this move will fire up your deep core muscles, improve balance, and protect your lower back. Beginners keep toes touching the floor for extra balance. Advanced stretches hold each rep for 3 seconds for an extra challenge. If you feel wobbly, engage your core more. This is about control, not speed. Now let's switch sides and balance it out. A strong core isn't just for looks. It's the foundation for everything you do. Extend your left arm and right leg straight out. Keep your hips square and your movement slow. Engage your core, keeping your lower back stable. I promise this move will improve spinal stability, enhance posture, and make your entire body move better. Beginners tap fingers and toes to the floor for more support. Advanced stretches hold each rep for 3 seconds for extra core activation. Take a deep breath. Can you slow it down even more? That's where the control happens. Now that your core is awake, let's open up your hips with a deep twist. If you've been sitting too much, this move is about to be your best friend. It unlocks tight hips and wakes up your spine. Step your right foot forward into a deep lunge, keeping your left knee down. Plant your left hand on the ground and reach your right arm toward the sky, twisting your torso. Hold for a deep breath, feeling the stretch through your hip and upper back. I promise this move will release tight hip flexors, improve spinal rotation, and help you move better all day. Beginners, keep your back knee on the ground for stability. Advanced stretches, lift your back knee for an added challenge. Can you twist just a little further? That's where the deep release happens. Let's switch sides. Don't leave your other hip locked up. Your body needs balance. Unlocking just one side isn't enough. Let's free up the other side. Step your left foot forward into a deep lunge. Plant your right hand on the ground and twist your torso left, reaching toward the sky. Breathe deeply and let the stretch sink in. I promise this move will enhance flexibility, relieve lower back tension, and make your entire body feel lighter. Beginners, keep your back knee down for extra stability. Advanced stretches, lift the back knee and try pulsing slightly for a deeper stretch. Do you feel the difference between both sides? One is always tighter. This is your chance to fix that. Now that your spine and hips are loose, let's take care of something most people ignore. Your wrists. You use your wrists for everything. Typing, lifting, even just holding your phone. But when was the last time you stretched them? Extend your arms in front of you and make loose fists. Slowly roll your wrists in circles, first clockwise and counterclockwise. After 30 seconds, stretch your fingers wide, then shake out any tension. I promise this move will improve wrist mobility, prevent stiffness, and make your hands feel lighter and stronger. Beginners, keep movements small and controlled. Advanced stretches add slight resistance by pressing your palms together as you roll. Can you make the circles just a little bigger? That's where the deep mobility gains happen. Now let's finish strong with the full body stretch that will leave you feeling brand new. If your hamstrings or lower back feel tight, this is the move you've been waiting for. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Hinge at the hips and let your upper body fold forward. Relax your head, let your arms hang, and breathe deeply. I promise this move will release back tension, improve flexibility, and make you feel lighter instantly. Beginners, slightly bend your knees for more comfort. Advanced stretches, grab your elbows and gently sway side to side. Final stretch. Can you hold this just 5 more seconds? Feel the deep release. Your entire body is loose, your energy is flowing, and you're ready to take on the day. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.